What's the meaning of control? Control. Control.
Control. Control. Control refers to the power or ability to manage, regulate, or govern something. It involves keeping something or someone within specific limits or boundaries, and directing their actions towards a desired outcome. The process of control often involves monitoring and adjusting variables to ensure that an intended outcome is achieved. In essence, control is the key to achieving goals and objectives in an organized and efficient manner. Without proper control, chaos and disorder can ensue, leading to negative consequences for individuals and organizations alike.